Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will answer the question why does your HUAWEI FreeBuds 5i are not charging. Firstly, I recommended to check if you have a foil on your earbuds. So right here at the bottom we have charging contacts, also near to the ear cup we have them. So check if you have a foil. Also you can check it for the charging case. Right here we have two charging contacts, so check it, especially if you buy a new earbud. Next, I recommended to clean this charging contact. So you can use isopropyl alcohol if you have it and clean it with a brush, or you can use a toothbrush if you haven't clean tool. And by the way, at this channel we have video how to clean this earbud, so you can check it if you don't know how. Also, check your charging cable and adapter. Maybe you need to use another one, and this is a problem with your charging case or adapter. And the last one is to check USB-C port. Maybe you have something with your port, so check it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.